I'm gonna show you what is new in this journal. This was not about December Ember, but I went to this musical about Anastasia and I love it. So I glued down the Act 1 and Act 2, the programs, and then two little amps from that time of Anastasia, and it's really a nice musical. And I can place a music ticket here because it's related with the musical and then with the tickets we bought. Actually, my daughter invited me because literally she grew up watching this movie, so she was so excited to go to the theater and watch the musical. It was very nice. Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Maria here. I'm gonna give the final touches and details using these amazing stickers. This comes with a bunch of stuff. I can tell you that I have a lot of things in here. For the price I paid, it really worth it. Out here. Oh my god, I love this one. I hope this is still available so you can go ahead and have one of this. This girl was an amazing singer and we were in love with them. Okay, so I placed the ticket there with some music. I have the Anastasia and I'm gonna have all these. I need this because it says Paris. And actually they go to Paris in that movie and the musical. So what a great thing. I told you, and I always tell you that journaling is so perfect. Actually, let me see, I prefer to have this Paris here. It's a little bit bigger and longer, and then the ticket here that is for the, let me see, I don't have enough space and I don't want to cover the coat. You see the Eiffel Tower there? And these are the type of lamps I place here. What about if we just place here? Okay, there it is. Anastasia. I also love the fact that depending on the shape they have, they come in a different packages inside the same packages. Here I have this with my technique of the reverse stamping, and you can watch the video and I'm gonna link it down below. And look how beautiful this is. This was for the International Day of Monarch Butterflies. I made this, and Monarch Butterflies is Danaus plexippus. I have it there. This is really cool, and I cover the original message of the card with a piece of paper. I coffee dye it and it's cool. Oh no, look at this. This is also from Paris. What about if I go back? I want to go back. What about if I place it, oh, in this corner? Yes, I can leave the white border in this case because the background is really clear. I have a special corner here. Can't believe it. This is so perfect. That goes perfectly in here. Yeah, I want this burlap on top of the clock. Okay, great. I have the tower there too. More than perfect. And I was telling you that I covered this with the coffee dye paper. I'm just gonna leave it like so I can write something when the moment comes. Can write a title or a sentiment or something in here. This is also ready. This is the mechanical garden. I went ahead and add this moth and those flowers. This can flip, so I have more clocks and watches here. Mechanic. This is okay. This page, it has nothing on. This is all about mushrooms and I love it because it has the classification of all the mushrooms, and I saw mushrooms in this stamp. What about if we just cut the stamp and make it part of this page? Okay, let's place it in the very far corner. Let's see, mushrooms everywhere. And as you can see, I have a tons of stickers and stuff from this envelope, and I'm gonna link all of them down below just in case you want to buy them. This is from Harry Potter. Read books, stay weird, be kind. And these were separate stuff, but I combined all of them. This is an actual leaf I collected in Atlanta, Georgia, and maple. And so it says, don't look back, you're not going that way. I love it. This is complete, nothing else to do in here. This is also an amazing little page, and all this comes from magazine. That is a sticker, so I'll say that this is to do some journaling in here. This is a roadmap, and I added these little squares with some art. This is from a magazine. Alright, so this page is unfinished. This is the one I probably need to do something, but I'm gonna tell you what is happening. I love all this because this is the classification of some of the trees, and this is in Italian, which I love. Then in this page I made this collage. This is not her head, so I cut this from another lady and I placed it here. I love it so much. And then I added the butterfly and all this paper in the background. As you can see, I still can see the trees there. So I would love to do the same on this page. And I'm looking inside here around all these papers. I think this little page has all the colors that match with these two pages. So I can just go here. It's really awesome. I'm just gonna go here. So let me close it so we can go here. There. I wanted to have that line covered, and this is from a different magazine. I cut the whole thing and I glue it here. And that is the legend. It's kind of upside down, but doesn't matter. It gives a nice touch. This page is ready. Finally, this is ready. This is a paper bag I decorate with stencils and some stems. I do some flowers. You have a caring heart. We visit, we love it, and I have those flowers there. This relax will be good for this because we went on vacation. So what about relax in Georgia? It was a family short vacation. We enjoy it too much. Relax. All right. Now here I have a bunch of things. I have this little card with M. I love, that's my initial, the initial of my name. Let's just cut little pieces of the angles. And let's just go here. This is a lot better. The sticker. So we can have something around here. Yeah, not bad. I like it. Much better. And this is December 2024. I love it. This is also from Harry Potter or something. So this was like seal or something, and I use it as a tuck spot like so. I love it. This is another bag, also I guess from an airport, and I love the green of the letters and the brand. And then I combine it with this sticker. We're almost done. This is very meaningful because I grew up with my string, and we're two sisters, so this reminds me too much about my sister and myself. Don't aim for success. If you want it, just do what you love and believe in, and it will come naturally. I don't know if this is, or it says Il mondo delle piante, that means the plant world. And I need something for this here. What about a butterfly? Yeah, it'll be the perfect touch. I wish we can go back and be kids again, but that is not possible, right? Here. Great. Okay, let's flip this. This is a tuck spot too, so I can always go ahead and have something in here. And let's see, what can we add? For a little tag, what about just having that? Go like this. And so that's ready. That's for journaling in the back. What about here? Oh yes, I remember now. This is the inside out. I mean, there's 7 envelopes with the same motif, but with different colors. And I ended adding these images on the cover. You can see I cover them with the same motif in each of the pages. So I have that, and then for this page I use this motif. So as you can see here, I can open it and you'll see ladies surrounded or inside a watch. This, we have another one here. This idea was great. I love it, and I'm gonna keep it in my heart. So this was the motif, black and white. I love it too. This page came out so beautiful. I only added color with the wings, and this as a bike, black and white. I'm just gonna keep it here. Yeah, that can be. Why not? So we can go here. I'm leaving the sticker, like the back part, because I don't want it to disappear. It's clear paper, so let's just leave it like so. And this is not gonna be super empty, so I have something in there. All right, so this is the fun part. This is for my inner child. So I love elephants, and I did this tiny envelope. I can actually place something inside here. If I have this beautiful little label with flowers, just put it in there. Cute. This is perfect. This is from another paper. That's from another paper. That's from a magazine, from a chocolate, sorry. This is from a kid's book. Let's see, what do we have around here with blue, and I don't see any elephants around. Oh, I can wait to do something with this one. Can you believe this? This is really cute. Really cute. I hope this is still available, so you can go ahead and have one of this. You're gonna love all the vellums and all the stuff we have here. I don't think I'm gonna add anything in there. What about a ticket? George Bellow. This is kind of a, I don't want this yellow, like this too much yellow there, so I'm just gonna cover it with this ticket. And then as you see here, these chocolates promote, like they talk about the endangered animals. So here was about the sea turtles. So you see here, they talk about the story and the situation of this animal. And then I have one for the elephants too in the first part of the journal, remember? All right, so we're almost arriving into an end. And this is the cover from which I took the picture of the vintage beauty salon I showed you a moment ago. These here came inside this book, and then this window was empty or open, and I cut the other and I placed it on the back of the window, and I guess this is really cool. And then I complete something with flowers around here. And she lives with her husband, 2 daughters, and their dog Petunia. So this is the lady. And what else can I have in here? This is like a lot of orange. This is cute, but I don't think it goes. This, I want this for another page, so let's just leave it like that. And let's see what else. Oh, we have another. This will be cool for this space. Let's place this one up here. And let's see, it arrives only through here. Oops. There. This is a tiny piece here. Just gonna cut it. This is too much fun, guys. I'm really like this moment. I am enjoying it very much. You see? Great. Love it. That is ready. Then we have this background with this sticker, and I'm gonna make it more sturdy and in place. Great! What? Wow. Okay, here I have a butterfly. It's really cool. I don't think this needs anything else. I can probably clip something in here, but the way it is, it looks really fine to me. And here I have the blackout poetry. A diamond remind me of the beautiful web we can do with our lives. Okay, and here this was altered book page with blackout poetry. This is really great. This is also made out of paper handles, and this is the last page. So I'll do, and I will leave everything now the way we have it. This will go perfect in here, so I will glue this around here. It matches perfectly with the green on this page. And in here we can add something else, or just leave it like so. I have a tiny hole I made here. I may hang something from there. I don't know if I have a little pin. I will see. Okay, they are here, and I'm pretty sure I have. I want the ones that are round on one part. I don't think I have any of those. Well, I don't have any. Oh yes, I have one here. Yay! Great. Okay, these are all labels I can use to do something with you guys. And so here I'm just gonna go in this hole, and I want that label with the pencils here. I like it too much, and I can always place a little button there, there, and there. All right, this is all, and I really like it too much. Let me just put everything I have together. Remember, I'm gonna link this product down below, and this is how it looks like. That is the label. Everything comes inside here, so it has a little pocket. Actually, you can even use the packaging for a journal because it's a tuck spot. It's really cute. So I'm gonna try placing everything inside. Of course, it's not gonna be perfect like the way it came, but later I'm gonna just place everything where they belong. And look how much stuff it is. A lot of stuff here, there. So this is what I have. Let me just organize the desk so I can say goodbye to you. And let's see. So this is the journal. Let's close it. If you want to see the details of this closure, just go ahead and click the link down below. I'm gonna link it so you can make a closure just like this one. Easy, fast, and very cheap. And also we use all of these amazing stickers in order to complete our journal. I feel blessed, I feel happy, and I feel very joyful to be able to do something with you guys. Thank you for all your comments. Don't go away without subscribing to my channel. You can click this icon here or the button of subscription, or you can always click in my picture here in the end. I'm gonna leave you another episode right here that you can go ahead and watch for more ideas and creations. So I see you soon, and I'm gonna be waiting for you in my next episode. Bye friends. Remember to leave me a thumbs up, share this video, and of course leave me a comment. I see you. Bye friends. Bye bye.